Hey everyone, welcome back to She Tried It. I am so excited to share with you my latest project I've completed, the Sophie Scarf by PetiteKnit. The Sophie Scarf is a stunning knit accessory designed by Met, the creative mind behind PetiteKnit. I picked up this pattern on Ravelry for about $4.56, and it's been such a delightful project. Keep in mind that this project comes in the Sophie Scarf and the Sophie Shawl. I did the Sophie Scarf. The scarf is just a smaller version of the shawl. For this project, I used Big Twist living yarn and a gorgeous red shade, which is aptly named Really Red. I only needed one skein of yarn for the entire scarf, and I used a 5mm needle to achieve the perfect drape for this design. The pattern involves classic knitting techniques like knits, purls, and slip stitches. I decided to make a few modifications by combining various elements of the shawl and the scarf pattern. This pattern is so versatile, you can either make it a fun accessory or an outerwear layering piece. From the shawl pattern, I used a thicker medium weight yarn with larger needles. However, I followed the size small in the scarf pattern for the perfect fit. The scarf pattern comes in sizes small and large. The construction of the Sophie Scarf is very unique, worked from one end to the other with increases and decreases on the same side. I personally found the pattern instructions to be very easy to follow, but to keep up with the repeats, I created a separate chart and checked off rows as I went. To an experienced knitter, this might be totally useless, but any beginner knitter might find this extremely helpful. In terms of difficulty, I'd rate this project a 3 out of 5 stars. It's a great pattern for those looking to challenge their skills a bit. I worked on the scarf during my downtime over the last couple of weeks, taking breaks to savor the process. Now when it comes to styling, I have to say this scarf leaves me incredibly warm. It's the perfect accessory for those chilly days, and I must say I absolutely love the pop of red. This will be a fun layering piece under my jackets and winter coats. The brilliant mind behind PetiteKnit, Met, is a 33-year-old creative entrepreneur based in Denmark. She's the designer of over 200 patterns ranging from perfect beginner projects to those for the experienced knitter. Her patterns have gained immense popularity with almost 1 million followers on Instagram. PetiteKnit was established in 2016, and Met's passion for knitting shines through her beautiful designs. This is definitely not my last PetiteKnit pattern I'll be creating, and I must say, I finally understand the hype. But that's a wrap on my Sophie Scarf project. If you're a fan of cozy, stylish knits, I highly recommend checking out PetiteKnit's patterns. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more knitting and crochet content. Until next time, see you in the next video. Bye!